Critical minerals. Critical minerals are those that are essential for modern technologies and national security but have supply chain risk due to their limited availability or geographical concentration. Their critically changes over time depending on technological demand and supply dynamic applications. They are used to manufacture advanced technologies including mobile phones, computer, fiber optic cables, semiconductors, banknotes, and defense, aerospace, and medical applications. Many are used in low emission technologies such as electric vehicles, wind turbines, solar panels, and rechargeable batteries. Some are also crucial for common products such as stainless steel and electronics. Top producers: Chile, Indonesia, Congo, China, Australia, and South Africa. Countries identify minerals critical for them based on their national priorities. In 2023, the Ministry of Mines released a list of 30 critical minerals for India. These minerals are antimony, beryllium, bismuth, cobalt, copper, gallium, germanium, graphite, hafnium, indium, lithium, molybdenum, niobium, nickel, Pge, phosphorus, potash, Re, xerium, silicon, strontium, titanium, tellurium, tin, titanium, tungsten, vanadium, zirconium, selenium, and cadmium. 24 minerals added to Part D of Schedule 1 of the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957, MMDR Act, granting central government exclusive auctioning powers. A Center of Excellence for Critical Minerals regularly review the mineral list and advise policy. National Critical Mineral Mission. The Government of India launches the National Critical Mineral Mission in 2025 to establish a robust framework for self-reliance in the critical mineral sector. The NCMM encompasses all stages of the value chain including mineral exploration, mining, beneficiation, processing, and recovery from end-of-life products. Exploration. Under this mission, the Geological Survey of India has been tasked with conducting 1200 exploration projects from 2425 to 3031. With an aim of ensuring domestic production of at least 15 critical minerals such as graphite, lithium, potash, REEs. The NCMM also aims for Indian companies to acquire 50 mining assets worldwide. To achieve these targets, it seeks to create a fast-track regulatory approval process for mining projects. Recycling. The National Critical Mineral Mission seeks to set up an incentive scheme for mineral recycling with a budget of INR 1500 crore $170 million with a target of recovering 400 kilotons of recycled material. Stockpiling. The National Critical Mineral Mission foresees the creation of a national critical mineral stockpile comprising at least 5 critical minerals to mitigate the risk from global supply chain disruptions. Research. The National Critical Mineral Mission seeks to promote research in critical mineral technologies with a target of achieving self-sufficiency in processing at least 5 critical minerals and generating 1000 patents across the critical mineral value chains by 2031. It also proposes setting up 4 regional mineral processing parks and 3 centers of excellence on critical minerals. Governance. The National Critical Mineral Mission envisages the formation of an empowered committee on critical minerals that would coordinate and implement the initiative under the National Critical Mineral Mission.